Welcome back, BMW fans. This is Andrei from BMW Blog, and today we've got the 2024 BMW X2, and these are some tips and tricks that you need to know. First off, when you approach the car, it's going to unlock automatically. When you walk away from the car, it will also lock automatically. You can triple click the lock button to remote start the engine. You can also just grab the handle to unlock. You can also touch these ridges to lock. We can open up the rear trunk hands-free by kicking underneath the bumper. You can also close the trunk hands-free by kicking underneath the bumper. So another cool feature that the car has is the rear camera cleaning. We're going to activate the camera by clicking that button. You're going to click on More, and then Camera Cleaning. That's pretty cool. Now it's nice and clean. The car is also equipped with a wireless charger. Pull that flap open, put your phone there, and push the flap against your phone so the phone will not move when you accelerate. And why is that important? Because this has a boost function. So you hold this pedal for just 2 seconds, and you're going to see a countdown of 10 seconds. You get 10 seconds of extra horsepower, about 20 horsepower, believe it or not. The handbrake and parking brake are in one button. See how you have the red for the handbrake and the red P? Handbrake off, handbrake on, but we're still in park. When you're in a gear and you click the P, it will activate both at the same time. On the steering wheel, everything on the left here is your cruise control, and everything on the right is for the infotainment. You can change the information in the cluster here. Simply click the gear, and you're going to use the wheel to scroll up and down, and it's going to show you the information that's being displayed. So we have assisted view, trip data, route preview, map, media radio. If you toggle to the right, it's going to change the layout. So you'll see that the design of the screen is a little bit changed. A lot changed, actually. I like that one. The car can park automatically, hands-free. You're going to click this button right there. And you're going to see here it says searching. You're going to drive past the parking spot slowly. Once you pass the available parking spot, the car is going to tell you that you can park. So I want to do a start reverse parking. Let go of the brake, let go of the steering. The car is going to park all on its own. Now for safety, it does say to monitor your surroundings and brake if necessary, so I always hover the brake just in case. And it puts it to park automatically as well. There's also a really cool feature called Backup Assistant. And basically what that backup assistant will do is that it will mimic your steering input for the last 50 meters. So you're going to see here I'm turning the wheel like this. We're going right, we're going left. And from here, simply put the car in reverse. And you're going to see here, Start Backup Assistant. You're going to click that. Now, you control the brake, you control the gas, but the steering is 100% automatic. So I'm simply just holding on the brake as the car is making its maneuver, and it's going to go back into its previous spot where we pulled out from, and you'll see that it's active. You got the green light there for the vehicle is steering, and it's going to show you the meters that you have left. We have 6 meters left, 5 meters left, 4 meters left, and it told you that it ended the route. Turn off the car. Another cool feature, when you unbuckle, the seat moves back automatically. When you buckle back up, it's going to move forward. You can switch your driver profile by clicking the icon beside the time. Change driver profile. It'll take a few seconds. Things will change like the seats, mirrors, and the lights. You can also voice command to change the ambient lighting inside the car. Hey BMW, change the interior lighting to blue.
Great, I will set the light color to indigo.
Hey BMW, tell me the weather.
On Friday, it will be cloudy with temperatures between 22 and 30 degrees Celsius in Vaughan, Ontario.
We can make a shortcut in the iDrive screen. Simply find the app that you want to make a shortcut. You push and hold. Add to shortcuts. And then from anywhere on the screen, you simply slide from the top down. And we have the shortcut right there. And yes, there are video games in the car.
With Air Console, everyone can easily play games together. Your phone will be your game controller, and your car will be your console. Choose one of our exciting games using your phone, and let the games begin.
You can change your driving mode by pushing My Modes and choosing on the screen which mode you want, but you can also voice command, hey BMW, put me in sport mode.
Okay, I have activated sport mode.
And those were the tips and tricks that you need to know about the 2024 BMW X2. This was Andrei from BMW Blog. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure that you hit that bell notification and you subscribe to our channel. See you next time.